Hey, good morning. So today is a day off. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop. Before we do anything, lid of the day. San Fran Giants, Irish edition. With these days off, we try and make the most of these opportunities, like going to see our grandparents. Now I know what you're thinking. How the hell can you do that? Say hello to the camera. Self-isolation.
Well, this is self-isolation.
Yeah.
That was a fantastic article in the Irish Times. And the pity of it, from my point of view, is that the castle is closed. You know, it was a fantastic article.
Thank you.
And I really enjoyed reading it. I have the copy. I kept the copy.
Food, shopping. So what we're going to do is give you a little idea of what we buy on a weekly basis. Usually the same stuff every time, isn't that right, Sean? Always. This is so cool. Aldi has like a whole eco-friendly section. Like shampoo, conditioner, aluminium foil, set of toothbrushes. Insane. Food, shop, packed away, lunch. We're gonna do a lovely, lovely, lovely dinner. Oh, we're getting crazy in the kitchen. Oh,
I'm gonna make homemade falafel.
oh. Kira's on the homemade falafels. You're telling me you wouldn't do number 2 once a day?
Sometimes no.
This is gorgeous. Get out.
We should have on camera.
I do.
Holy
Shit. That is the hottest thing on this earth.
I was just dead.
Asbestos man no more. Like. Right, little story time. Story time! So a while back, I sent some of my GoPro Home Pro footage away to GoPro Awards, and I was just on my computer, get an email, open it up, GoPro Awards emailed you. Weird? Kind of. Never got an email back from them before. The title says, "Let's get you paid." Hold on a minute. What's happening here? So read through, get stoked. We love your GoPro award submission. In fact, we love it so much, we've selected you for an award. We're awarding you for the Home Pro Macedonian salad. I love that video. That was so much fun. That food is amazing and one of my favorite dishes, and just for it to all come together and win an award for it from GoPro is crazy. I can't really believe it. Oh my God. This is insane. I'm mind blown. What a day. Oh, unreal. I'm definitely going to keep making more, keep sending them in, and hopefully I can get some more awards. This is insane. Right, now that I've calmed down a little bit from winning an award from GoPro, like, I can't even believe it. I'm gonna get dinner prepared. So we're going for honey glazed pork gammon, which we will boil first for a bit with some root veg and then put in the oven. So let's get to it. So while this gammon is boiling,
Yes.
quickfire. Favorite country?
Flip Bally.
Favorite food?
Pasta.
Favorite drink?
Chocolate milk. Moscow Mule.
Favorite video game?
Madden.
Favorite shoes?
My Yeezys. Not these.
Favorite clothing brand?
Obey.
Favorite hobby?
I'm helping you vlog.
And on that note,
About that time, my guy.
okay, the gammon has been flipped, so that means quickfire round 2. Favorite genre?
Hip hop.
Favorite track at the moment?
All of Sticky Fingers.
Favorite festival? Who's your favorite brother?
Dad.
Say hello to the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Take the pork out of the oven. It looks incredible. So I made a honey and Dijon mustard glaze, and that's why it's gone all brown, or you could say black, nearly, from the caramelization. And then we've got our roast veg in there, and the butternut squash has been finished as well. Let's get this bad boy on the table. Time to eat good, I did promise you. That's fine. Wednesday calls for a little top up, a little freshen, a little freshy fresh. Freshy freshy. What do you think? Fresh? Fresh. What's happening?
Before and aspects.
Have a look. Let's have a look, shall we? Shall we?
It's good on this side.
What do you mean on this side? Both sides. This one isn't step. This one is like a race car track. A golf green with the green and the rough. Like, but the Ernie Elsby chipping in.
I think I told you.
Oh, it's good. It's good, but like
That sounds way harder.
surely we can do a little bit about this.
This sounds sick.
This is good, but
For a beer germ, it's not bad.
yeah, but surely we can do
Something.
something about this. Line. I'm actually happy. I'm impressed.
I like that.
Pleasure. Pleasure's all mine, fella. Story time. So I was going through my YouTube comments, and someone said they were freaked out by how I ate a pear. So I'll eat a pear. Again, just for you. Thank you. Time to eat another pear.
Have you edited the rest of your day today?
Mm-hmm.
Today?
Almost. Look at that.
yesterday evening.
Finished.
I like that.
Yeah.